Namaste everyone, this is Radha Gupta. So many thoughts to share with all of you. Just taking an example of metro. Metro provides very comfortable and fast journey. What I observed with time, now journey in metro is also difficult to get a seat and very crowded environment on metro station. Whatever new technology launched affect previous one. Due to metro, other transport services and people linked with them also affected. In such condition, insecurity with respect to possession of work arises. In that condition, it is better to train previous person related to transport for metro services. Then they will also feel upgraded that they are working for metro services. This is the case not in transportation, in other areas also. Online shopping is much better but affects shopkeepers. Few better shopkeepers are linked with online platform. I was thinking, can we train these persons for better options like in shopping malls and many other places? If somebody will say stop these things to use, not possible, but at least we can minimize the use. We all know very well about greenhouse effect, ozone layer depletion and global warming, but how many people are contributing to reduce such effect? One day I visited someone's house. They were using AC at very low temperature, using blanket and all, even in good weather condition. We all know harmful effects, but still manufacturing, production and marketing is continued. First we open wine shop, after addiction person will go to various rehabilitation center to restore their health. We are so blessed to have advanced technology, but when to use and how much use it depends upon you. In early morning and during nice weather, there is no need to run AC in car. When it's really required, then use AC. Don't stop. At least minimize use when really required. In various houses, buildings, AC, lights, fans are running. It is all about wastage of resources. One person is needed to switch off and switch on things. In such condition, if we will stop manufacturing and other things, person related to that will be annoyed. In such condition, we can recommend or help them to change their setup for production of other useful things. Advertisements are going on, research papers are available, various reports are coming day by day to show positive and harmful effects, but availability of the product in market makes person to use. We are thinking, we are safe, we are happy, why should interfere in others matter? But one day will come, garbage on earth will affect everyone's life. Then it will be concern for everyone. We are manufacturing various things of different grades, design, depending upon the comfort and money. I saw mountains of garbage at the end of the city during traveling. Synthetic and plastic materials are harmful, but still products are available in market. Plastic is good at some places or for some purposes. We have to see where to use and when and how much. We need to change system in such a way so everyone can work effectively and live happily without affecting so much our natural environment. After all, it is all about mutual relationship with our environment. Thank you very much.